Well, I'm documenting today with a video that I'm going to put on YouTube as a private video, how to read the meters at HVC. And do we do HVD too, Sarah?
We do not.
Do not. Okay, HVC meters. Let's go. Sarah has her instructions that are in our instruction manual. I'm going to video every single meter, and Sarah's going to tell us what she's doing.
Okay, so here's our table right here, and we're going to start with gas at 295. And it's a digital meter, so you just read the numbers off of it. I don't know if you want to...
No, that's okay. Yeah.
It's 0691. So we just put 691. And then come over here. This is also a digital meter, so we don't have to figure out what it is. You just read it. This is 13459.
Okay, that's on the other side of this corridor. That is between 295 west and east cabin. Mm-hmm. Okay? All right.
So now we go to the well corral.
The well corral. So I'm going to turn off the camera.
Okay.
Now we're in the well corral. And Sarah, tell us what you're doing.
Okay, so these are kind of hard to see. So if you lick your finger, you can be able to see the meter. But the meters are read from left to right. And you want to read the numbers as decimals following the initial number. So for example, our first circle, it looks like the arrow is in between 1 and 2. And we want to round down that number to 1. So, and yeah, from last reading you can tell it was a 1.
Okay, let me see if I can get this.
So this left one right here?
Yeah. Wait, let me find your finger. Yeah, I see your finger. Okay, we may not be able to see it on the video, but the idea is there when you're stooping right here in front of that meter.
So the next one is in between 7 and 8, so we're going to go down to 7. The third one is in between 2 and 3, so we're going to go with 2. The fourth one is in between 5 and 6, so we go with 5. And the last one is in between 4 and 5, so we go with 4. And the thing to be careful about is that the dials go clockwise and then counterclockwise, clockwise, and counterclockwise. So just make sure you're paying attention and rounding down to the lowest number.
Okay. Does it say so on this? Okay, good.
It does.
Good, okay. All right, turn off the camera. Where are we going next?
We are going to, I think, the street for 301.
Okay. Okay, here we are at the front gate on the north side, the northwest side of the front gate. And Sarah, kind of turn this way and tell us what you're doing in a loud voice.
Okay, I'm just checking the meter for the electric. I do believe for 295, the top one. And it cycles, so it gives you different numbers. So it's 5246.
5246 for 295, clearly labeled there, 295, okay. These are the smart meters.
Yeah, and so it'll come through different lines, and the number that's closest to what's already written down is the one that you go with.
Okay, you don't do the 301?
No, because it's separate in the garage.
Oh, okay, yeah, I have a meter in the garage right now, okay.
And then we read this one, and it says 295 down here, it's written on it.
Wait, point again, I have to find you.
Right here. It's on the right side, that's for the gas, and this is for the electric.
There you go, okay, gotcha.
Or,
also says smart meter.
this one. I think, hold on. I'm trying to remember. I think we do this one, actually.
Okay, she's kind of unclear on which one to do here in what order. So we'll correct it in the written description if we're incorrect on what we say now and what we do now, because Sarah will be submitting this to Stan to make sure we did it right.
Yeah, because he wrote 301 here, so I'm a little, I don't remember.
Okay, in the spiral binder, apparently it says 301. Point to where it says 301.
Right here.
Okay, third column from the end, fourth column. I think maybe you do the 301 and then you subtract away the HVC East?
No. It's not that complicated. He didn't write it, so I just forgot which one it was.
Okay,
I can just ask him. We'll come back. We don't have to do this right now. We can do the others.
Okay. All right. We're going to have to come back and then we'll make sure that the written
because the numbers are too close.
Document. The numbers are too close, says Sarah. Okay.
Yeah, this is it.
This is it. She thinks she has it. Okay, so she's reading it from that top meter on the north side.
Yeah, because this, okay. So last month it was 5323, and this month it's 5347, and the one up there was 52. So it can't go backwards, it can only go forward.
Okay, and what about this, the one on the left here, the smart meter on the left? Did you read that one?
I think this is the gas for the 295, and I think this is the gas for the 301, and I don't think we read that.
Oh.
So.
Okay.
I think this should be the electric for the 295, but I don't know, the numbers look really are off. Because last month it was in the 3,000 and this month it's in the 5,000.
Okay, so the 295 last month it was in the 3,000 and now it's in the 5,000. So that top meter that she thinks is electric for 295 doesn't seem to be correct.
So,
but sometimes, yeah, we'll ask Stan and we'll make sure it's clear in the written documents.
Yeah.
Here we are at the post near the travel trailer. Okay, Sarah?
Okay, so this is in between 4 and 3, so we read 3. This is in between 5 and 6, so we read 5. The next one is right on 3, so we'll put 3 down. The next one's on 0. And the next one's in between 9 and 8, so we're going to go with 8.
Okay, and then the garage is last? Okay, that's a meter that Everett and I put in to separate out HVC East. Okay, here we are in the northwest corner of the HVC main garage. Sarah, tell us what you're seeing.
Okay, so this meter, you just read it. 1, 4, 3, 3.
Okay, from left to right. That's it. Okay, that measures the electricity to HVC East.
Correct.
Okay, I'm going to upload this on YouTube, and I hope I can figure out how to upload on YouTube private. I'm sure you can. Okay, thank you, Sarah.